All right, so what kind of shenanigans are we getting into today? Today, I have this pile driver that's been in the shed for a while. Had to clean it up. And I have this pole. I already started driving it in. I started driving it in with my, there you go, with that guy right there. So we got it in. It's still a little soft. You can see, but I had the string on two corners as best as I could get it. Oh shit. Damn it. Here we go. And take a look. We got nice and level there. And we are nice and level there. So my post is leveled. It doesn't look like it though when I see it from here. It looks like it's off. But anyways, I'm gonna go by what this guy says. So now we're gonna get into driving this guy. We're gonna fire it up and drive that pole down, and I'll show you here how this goes. So there we are. This here was like probably about a 8-footer, and now it's taking about 1.5 feet off the ground. So we're about 7 feet under. I don't think this thing is ever coming out. It's pretty firm. It'll hold the fence for sure. And so that's it. All right, so now we are in the next phase of this little job, and I got it all set up, ready to weld. Gonna tack it, level it out, and then finish welding it all the way around. All right, so check this out. Yep, so here we are. And according to the level there, we're leveled, and we're pressed all the way in, and we're leveled there, a little bit off to the right, not a big deal. But now we're ready to just grind that down a bit, clean it up, throw a little bit of paint over it, and mount our new fence panel. And that's it.